are all about bringing the country into the city. And if you're in the first few rows here, you're going to take a bit of that country home with you guys tonight. Nice and close right now here in their nose-to-nose test. Break your ways in nice and close. Watch out as we spin that car around. Back in to the right way, going forward. But Melbourne, do you guys want to see these guys push these Alexes a little more? Yeah, I thought you might. Well, here we go again. Two Alexes, two different parts of the arena. Rolling in for this right now. And here they come, staggering this one out. It's the two-way stagger crossover. No room for error in those. It is wet slipping grass out here. The driver's doing an awesome job. Funnily enough, they have standard Bridgestone road tyres on those. Also two free-wheel drive Hiluxes then on the four-wheel drive model. But I reckon, guys, we're going to slow the pace down here just a little bit. Let the drivers, because those walls are coming very close with the Coca-Cola on the side. We're going to bring them into the grass here, slow the pace right down. Because I'm sure you guys have seen maybe Dancing with the Stars. Have you ever seen Dancing with a Hilux?